Hey gamers! Welcome to VR Player Channel! Get ready for an immersive VR experience in this 360-degree video. Your mission? Find the hidden dump truck from Robocar Poli. Are you ready to put your skills? Game on! Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. Level 6. Level 7. Level 8. Level 9. Congratulations, you've finished. You've successfully found the hidden dump truck from Robocar Poli in this thrilling VR video on VR Player. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more epic content like this. Let us know which character you'd like to see in the next video. See you soon.